Good evening, everyone. This is Wilhelmina Ford, based in Brisbane, Queensland, Australia. I know you haven't seen me for a while, and one of my potential buyer, he was asking me, Wilhelmina, I saw you on your YouTube channel, and I'm very impressed that I never found any person who put everything on the digital information. And I was pleased that this buyer was really impressed. He was been searching for gold for many months, and he was been talking to different middlemen and also small gold seller in West Africa. When I was talking to this potential buyer, and he came to me on conference live video call, and I interviewed him, and it seems that he met the criteria. And I told him that which video that you were been following or you've been watching, and he said that was October 2024. And while having my conversation with him, and I interviewed him like when you apply for a job, and he met the criteria. He did send me his credential, and I review it, and I asked him to show me the proof of fund, his bank statement, to convince me that he is really a buyer, because I'm going to take him to Africa. I am going to assist him in Africa. So I need to know his credential fully and the bank statement that he has fund standby in his bank account. You don't need to be scared, because you have to show that you have available fund. There is no upfront. So I try to remove his negative that Wilhelmina, I don't want to pay upfront. There is no upfront. You have to pay for it whether you like it or not. So do not travel if you are not well prepared. Do not. So while I'm having a conference with this gentleman, and he sent me his credential, his business registration, his passport copy, his company profile, and I asked him that you send me already your profile, but I need to see your banking details, your proof of fund, that you have really $1 million standby in your bank account. He's looking for 500 kilos. So he bargained me, and I told him, did you really watch the video properly on my YouTube channel? And did you really go through on my platform on Facebook? Because you can see everything on Facebook. On excuse me. on YouTube channel, you cannot put the picture. I put all the necessary requirements that you need to comply with. Now, on every video, the full corporate offer or soft corporate offer is always on this video. The reason why I put everything, because I don't want to teach anyone. You have to read it, digest it, and comprehend it. So this gentleman, it seems that he met the criteria. So I'm still gathering his vital information before we will consider him, before he will receive the letter of confirmation of his order 500 kilos. And I told him 500 kilos more than $1 million. So a little bit he met the criteria, but not much. It's not yet confirmed. So I just want to share with you guys that gold business is not for everyone. If you are just brokering, you are going to fail. Now, I interviewed this buyer, this broker from Kenya, and he didn't meet the criteria. He said he has an investor from Dubai. When I interviewed him, he didn't meet the criteria. And he was not happy interviewing. And I told him, well, Just like when you apply for a job, you will be rejected. Buying gold is you're applying to secure, you're applying to buy, you're applying to purchase for your business. It is my obligation to interview you because the seller hired Wilhelmina to handle marketing for them. I was the one who introduced this. And those joker broker, they hate my guts. I'm sorry, guys. This is not for you. There is no way you will get the gold in Africa from the real seller. We have gold in Mali. I've been to Mali. The gold in Mali is really good. And I've been to Conakry, Guinea. And I've been to Sierra Leone. My transaction has been successful. You will only see the successful transaction when I put on my platform on Facebook. Because my Facebook is just like a shop, an online shop. It's very unique. I was the one who introduced this. When the seller hired me, I was the one who put everything on digital information. I used to be in real estate. I'm already retired. So I'm sorry, guys, if you don't like my way of interviewing. To me, you're not a buyer. And you don't need to say, oh, scam, scam, scam. You are one of the scammer. If I am a scammer, I would not show my face. To those joker broker who hates my guts and then they blog me that I'm a scammer, how much did I scam you guys? I live comfortably in Australia. I don't beg you guys. Right? Those joker broker, I don't beg you. You come to Wilhelmina, and if you don't meet the criteria, you're upset. Well, your ego has been hurt. That's not my job. I am not here to make friends. I am here to help the buyer and the seller. If you're just brokering thinking you make money, you would not make money. There was a broker for 5 years. He said, Madam, I've been following you. He is a broker. He's based in Indonesia. He said, Madam, for 5 years I've been brokering on WhatsApp online. I never closed the deal. And I told this joker broker, you would never close the deal unless you know whom you're talking, unless you know the buyer. Most of the joker broker floating around on WhatsApp group. There is also buyer on WhatsApp group, but there are 97% joker broker. But it's okay. At least the joker broker has been educated. I was the one who put everything. So if you read on the extensive full corporate offer on WhatsApp or on LinkedIn or on YouTube and on Facebook, if you don't read it, I'm sorry, guy, you would not be able to close the deal. And I don't entertain buyer already on the ground. I don't. I rather take the buyer with me to the office. If you want gold in Mali, I will take you to Mali. But before you travel, I need your credential. And when you send me your credential, yes, you will receive the full corporate offer from us. And also the background of the seller, the mining license, the export license. So I'm the one who will determine which seller I'm going to take you. Now, the price today is already bounced back. Now, the price of the gold today, November 19, 84,705.85. Last month, the price was 89. Now, the price is bounced back again. 2 weeks ago, the price was 82. Now it's 84,705.85. Less 8% out of this price. You are buying unrefined. You're not buying refined. The refined is 84,705.85. Less 8% on that equals 77,640. That is 22 carats plus. The most important is the purity from 96, 97.7, or sometimes the golden 98, but it's very rare. The most important is the purity. Now, the gold has many uses. You must remember. You're buying raw material, which is Doribar. You can make into jewelry. You can refine it into 99.99 because this Doribar, gold bar Dori, has a chemical component. But even though there is a chemical component, the refinery knows how to refine that. So I'm not here to teach you, okay? You just read the full corporate offer after you watch this video. Subscribe because time to time you will be updated. And click below, subscribe, and make a comment whether you understand or not. Don't come to Wilhelmina unless you read the full corporate offer on this video. Click below, read it thoroughly, one by one, paragraph by paragraph, because time to time I updated the price. Now, on this video, the current price, which is today, November 19, you will see it, digest it properly, comprehend it, whether you meet the criteria or not. If you don't meet the criteria, it's okay. Save money. Now, this gold is not for everyone, as I've said. This gold is not for chain of middlemen. We are now on digital information. You will never see a woman who show her face. Most of you are not showing your face. Most of you are hiding your faces. Why? You're not a buyer. Because if you're a buyer, you're gonna download Botim if you're from Dubai. You want to see Wilhelmina because I want to require you to open your camera. And when you open your camera, our conference is recorded. Why I record it? Because for your reference. And when you muck around, I have the file. So all of my conversation has been recorded, whether you like it or not. We are now on digital information. Every communication is recorded. And when you come for Wilhelmina, when you open your camera, yes, you're going to be live on my Facebook and live on YouTube channel. And if you're scared, don't be involved on talking to Wilhelmina. Better get out because you are going to be interviewed, whether you like it or not. You are just applying to purchase. This is $1 million worth of gold. You never know you are a criminal. You never know you are a swindler. That is why I have to require you to open your camera. It is live. Why? Because if you muck around, we have the file. Does that make sense? There was a guy and a husband and wife from Switzerland. The man was being rejected. Husband and wife was being rejected. Pretending to be a buyer, we don't sell 1 kilo. There is a minimum. You must have $1 million or $500,000 to purchase this gold because we don't sell 1 kilo, 2 kilos. Minimum at least 10 kilos. Now the 10 kilos is $600,000 or $700,000. Now our selling price on 22 carats is $77,860. If you meet the criteria, I might able to give you a very good price instead of 8%. Why? Because I'm going to travel with you and I do charge my services. My services is not for free when I travel. I've already given you free information worth $1 million. You're gonna say, Wilhelmina, how much you are going to charge? Well, the gold is expensive. My services is also expensive. I do charge $20,000 non-refundable. Take it or leave it. If you don't like it, then don't buy. Go somewhere else so that you will be scam. Scam means you're gonna be lied. You're gonna be deceived. Most of the joker broker, they hate my God to say, oh, scam, scam. Who is the scammer here? You guys. Because you don't show your face. You lied. You pretend to be a buyer. When I interviewed you, you're not a buyer. Just like this guy, this from Kenya. I blocked him. He said that he has an investor from Dubai. When I interviewed him, he didn't meet the criteria. He's asking for CIF, cost, insurance, and freight. Gold is not for cost, insurance, and freight. There is no upfront. You have to pay for it whether you like it or not. The gold cannot leave the country of origin without export documentation. That is the reason why I put everything on this video. Every video, the full corporate offer is always on every video. If you don't read it, to me, you're not a buyer. You're a joker broker. Those people who hates my guts, I'm sorry, guys. I am not here to beg you. I am not here to make friends. This is real business. You have the cash. We have the gold. Your paper money has no value. We are now on inflation. After the election, the price of gold was down. Now it bounced back. From United States, the price of gold was down. Now the price of gold is bounced back again. 2025, the price of gold could reach 3,000 per ounce. On 3,000 per ounce, multiply that to 32.15, 3,000 per ounce. This could be 2025. I don't know if you can afford it. At the moment, the price of gold on the world market is 84,705.85. This is the price today. I don't know if you can afford it. Yeah? This is the price. 84,000. So, less 8% of this equals 77,640. Now, if you meet the criteria, I might consider. I might renegotiate to the head office that you meet the criteria. I might give in you 14%. Why? You are paying my services. So I've given you back the percentage. When you resell the gold to your own customer, 3%, you make handsome profit. I know. And then you're going to say, well, Amina, do you think I'm going to get the profit? Gold is money you're buying. Gold is world asset you're buying. Gold is tax heaven. Gold is king. So there is no free. My dear, do not say that I will buy gold no upfront. Whether you like it or not, your business would not function. There's a saying, supply and demand determine the price. If you cannot afford, so better get out, keep your money, put money in your bank account and term deposit of 3% a year. Here in gold business every week, to start to get that 10 or 20 kilos, your profit is $12,000 per kilo. You increase that. In a year's time, your profit is 85%. You become multimillionaire. Wilhelmina is giving you a good price. I will make you rich in order to meet the criteria. I will make you rich once you meet the criteria. I will make you rich if you have $1 million. You invest first before you get the profit. You need to invest money to make a profit. If you don't have the money, how could you make profit? Is that make sense now? Now, I interviewed people today. Only one meet the criteria. Only one. Now, I'm traveling soon. By December, I only travel when the buyer meet the criteria, because the buyer is paying my services. So do not come to Wilhelmina that asking you, Wilhelmina, teach me. I am not here to teach you. I am not an agency. We are here to sell. That is why I put everything on the digital information. My YouTube channel, just like my online store. My platform on Facebook is huge. It's very unique. My platform is very unique. You would never find this kind of information coming from this woman. And those joker broker, they hate my guts. I'm sorry, guys. I am not here to make friends with anybody. You have the money, we have the gold. Simple as that. Now you're gonna ask, well, Amina, where is the gold? Gold in Conakry, Guinea, Sierra Leone, and Mali. I will determine which seller I'm going to take you when you meet the criteria, because you need to be interviewed. You need to open your camera. And when I interviewed you live, why I'm giving you a warning? Because when you muck around, I have the file and we have the file, and I can also put you on the digital that you play games with us. Do not play games with Wilhelmina, because I'm telling you, you are going to be blocked on my platform. There are so many joker broker hates my gut, they blog me. Good luck on you guys. Those joker broker, they hide their faces, just like this gentleman from UK. He created a page, a scam page. He is a joker broker. He hide his face. I'm not hiding my face. Come to see me. Let's have a cup of coffee here in Australia. If you're from Australia, come and see me and have a cup of coffee. Whether you meet the criteria or not. There was a gentleman from Queensland. He flew to Brisbane to see me. He didn't meet the criteria either. He wanted to bring CIF, cost insurance and freight. I was just laughing. And I told him, no, there is no way. In Africa, it's a cash business. In Africa, you cannot take the gold out. Why Russians are in Africa? Why Chinese? Why German? Why Canadian? Why Indians are everywhere? Why this Australian mining company are everywhere in Africa? Why? Because there is a supply. There's a saying, supply and demand determine the price. And those joker broker, they hate Wilhelmina's guts. Too bad. Now, there is no gold in Dubai. Most of the buyers are from Dubai. I've been to Dubai many times. I meet a lot of time waster pretending to be a buyer. They meet me in the hotel, on the bar. I paid their drinks. My gosh, a woman pay your drinks. It's a big insult. I never go out. When I meet someone, I always pay my own drinks. Most of the people I meet in Dubai, there was a Pumi. He come to see me at the Holiday Inn. He ate lunch. And he doesn't have the money. He said he's the buyer. When I was talking to him on Bootim, and I told him, come to see me at Holiday Inn, he said he's a buyer before he came. And then when I invited him in the restaurant, we have a lunch. He cannot even afford to pay his bill. He's been stuck in Dubai for 3 to 4 years. He's a Pumi. My dear, I don't believe buyers in Dubai unless the buyer prove that he can afford to pay. Then I will believe it. Dubai is a hub. Dubai is a nice country. They bring gold to Dubai. Why? Because Dubai is a tax haven as well. The tax is really minimal. And there's a lot of refinery looking for supply. So those buyers pretending to be a buyer, they are going to leverage it. You cannot leverage gold. Gold is cash. You cannot leverage this solid cash versus your paper money. Your paper money has no value versus this solid money. Gold is king, my dear. So that is the reason why I always update the price. Now, as I've said, I will put the price today, this November 19, on this video, November 19, you will see the price of 24 carats, 22 carats, 21 carats. You will see the price. Now you are buying 22 carats. You are not buying 21 carats. You are not buying 14 carats here. Huh? You are buying 22 plus equivalent to 23. The purity is from 95, 96, 97. Now, I think I already explained it. Please do not come for conference unless you understand what you are reading. Do not be excited watching Wilhelmina's on this video, because when you come for conference, I am not excited unless you convince Wilhelmina. Okay? Thank you very much. Have a pleasant good evening and advance Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. How many weeks more to go? It's Christmas. The head office will be closed operation on December 15. But still, we have the stock. I am the one who will accept your order. The office will open when you travel with Wilhelmina. December, January, the office will be open once you convince Wilhelmina, because I have to ask the office that I'm coming with a buyer. Please make sure that the office is open, and we will reserve your order. Minimum at least 20 kilos. Now our price of next year is different, and also my service fee is also increased. When the gold is high, my services is also high. Meaning to say, the gold is expensive, my services is also expensive. My services is not for free. I already given you free information for free, worth $1 million. You must remember. So those joker broker hits my guts, too bad. I'm sorry guys, you're not qualified. You will never close the deal if you're just brokering. There's so many joker broker on WhatsApp group. It's okay. I put everything on WhatsApp group. The procedure is still they cannot comprehend. Maybe they didn't go to school. Guys, if you didn't go to school, what a waste of time. This is not for you. Read it, comprehend it, then I will believe you went to school. Because I went to school, I listened to my professor. That's why I finished Bachelor of Science in Social Work. Does that make sense now? Thank you very much. Have a pleasant good evening. I shall see you on live video conference. If you are from Dubai, download Botim. I want to see you in live. I want to interview you whether you are qualified or not. Thank you very much. Again, I will put the price of the day.